Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will provide you with a tutorial for beginners for ManyChat. So it's a powerful tool for automating conversations through chatbots on platforms like Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So guys, to firstly begin, you need to of course sign up for the first account on ManyChat by visiting the official page. After that, which is very important, you need to connect your corresponding social web that you wish to manage. So Facebook, for example, and ensure you're an admin of the page. Then create your first bot, go to the dashboard and select your connected Facebook page. ManyChat will automatically generate a basic flow for you, customize it by navigating to the flows section. Then build a welcome message. So you need to click on automation, and in here you click on basic and you can set up a welcome message. Craft a friendly message that introduces your business. For example, hi, welcome to your business name. How can we assist you today? Add buttons like learn more, talk to support, or view products. You can also set up keywords. You need to set up keywords in the automation menu as well. Add trigger words, for example, help or pricing. And that's how you do that. Create sequences as well, guys. You can go to the sequences tab, and here use sequences to send automated follow-ups over time. For example, send a welcome series. On day one, introduction to your business. Day 2, highlights products. Day 3, share testimonials or promotions. Also guys, use growth tools to attract more subscribers. So those are messenger reference URLs and pop-up widgets. And also, finally, and lastly, I will give you some pro tips for beginners. Start simple. Focus on basic flows before exploring advanced features. Engage and test. Regularly interact with your bots to ensure a seamless user experience. Upgrade when ready. ManyChat's free plan is great for testing, but consider premium features for scaling. And with these steps, you're ready to start building conversational experiences with ManyChat. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this helps. If it did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.